parang wala nag-post dito sa akin. Kaya, ngayon, gagawin ko na. Parang wala nagsabi sa akin sa mga comments that gusto nila. So, that's why gagawin ko ulit para pwede ma-excited kayo. Ito naman, papakita ko sa ano yung in results. I-guess mo ano to. Pinakita ko na nga. Kaso lang, pag pumikit ka nun, di mo alam ano yun. Ako maaalam ko to kasi ako yung nag-pick neto Iba't to. Tsaka, sobrang creative. Hindi nyo alam ano to, guys. So, sa bagay it's very magic trick. And very cool to make. To me, to do. Too. Tsaka, very easy to make too. Tsaka, it's very glittery. Pag inas mo sa akin right now, and it's very easy about that. Very long to ma-make. Kaso lang, pag it's sleeping time, pwede mo nang gawin bukas. Like, right now, pwede mo naman gawin bukas. Tsaka sa bagay papakita ko na sa inyo. Ay, mamaya muna. Ayun. Like, may nahanap ako na number 2. Wala akong makita, guys, number 2. Ayun, meron pa pala dito. Guys, very excited na ako talaga, guys. Kasi nagiging I know. Whatever, I don't care. Next is number 4. Sobrang dali talaga nito kasi nakakatuwa din at saka pinapaglaruan ko to everyday at sometimes binibidyo ko like right now. Tsaka very relaxing na yon. Pwede din to sa mga bata. Tsaka pag mga bata na nagbo-board, download niyo na to. Papakita ko sa inyo ulit pag hindi niyo nakita na hindi like hindi niyo pa nakita right now. Kasi sobrang easy naman to. I am so obsessed about this. Papakita ko sa inyo end results ng things na klanan ko. Nalagay ko dyan. Handy dandy tool. Hanapin nyo kung nasaan. Ayun, kuha. Kakuli. And very cool and very good. Pwede naman din sa mga boys. Kaso lang, maghahanap para kayo ng pan-boys. Pag naghahanap kayo ng mga things na klanan ninyo, don't worry, I'm here. Mga things na klanan ninyo, mga things na klanan nyo, tsaka pag mag-art school kayo, don't worry, here, play this game right now. I always play this game. It's very fun. Very funny and very cool. I like these games a lot. I can't even press it. Even, it's kind of cool and I like it.
Good to see you again. Your friend just left you this. He said you just got me back.
And I like this very, very much because it's cool. And I'll pakita the results. What is it? Because I didn't pakita yet. Anyways, like
Why do you want to see me?
and subscribe on
Thompson was
my
lying.
videos again
Couldn't be released.
because you don't
Mission
want
Top Reckless.
like
And why? Why do they care so much? Because she's enough, David.
anyways, it's almost
If
done.
you
So
have her,
papakita ko na
you won't need
sa
to fill that
inyo
void
and
inside
years
of you
old.
with claws and boats
Ta-da!
and
It is
dreams of
a
one day making it
cupcake,
to the
but
lighthouse.
you didn't notice
That's
this
important.
that
It's
he was
not
crying,
anything
but
that
happiness. Very fun.
Are you
And
serious?
papakita ko sa'yo ulit yung mga things. May mga boys at saka may mga swords dito. Yung pockets. Paano? Tiraya, lipstick. Ayan na guys.
Could have been a lot.
Ayan ulit. So, bye!